Hello everyone and welcome back to UK Pro Reviewer. Today, we're diving into the world of versatile keyboards with the Seenda Wireless Illuminated Keyboard. If you're in the market for a keyboard that seamlessly connects to multiple devices and lights up your workspace, then stick around because this might be the one for you. Let's start with the standout feature of this keyboard, its ability to connect to not one, not two, but up to 4 devices simultaneously via Bluetooth. Whether you're using a Mac, iPad, iPhone, Windows PC, or Android device, this keyboard has got you covered. Switching between devices is a breeze, thanks to the dedicated Bluetooth buttons. Just press FN along with the corresponding Bluetooth button, and you're good to go. Perfect for those of us who juggle multiple devices throughout the day. Now, let's talk about the illumination. This keyboard features 7-color backlighting with 3 adjustable brightness levels. Whether you're burning the midnight oil or working in a dimly lit environment, typing becomes a breeze with these vibrant backlights. But wait, there's more. The Seenda Wireless Illuminated Keyboard comes with a hefty 1600 mAh rechargeable battery. With up to 320 hours of battery life without backlighting, you can kiss frequent recharges goodbye. Plus, it conveniently charges via Type-C cable, eliminating the hassle of replacing batteries. Now, let's talk about the typing experience. Equipped with high-end scissor switches, this keyboard offers responsive and quiet typing, making it ideal for both office and home environments. And with its universal compatibility across iOS, Android, Windows, and Mac OS, you'll never have to worry about compatibility issues again. But what about ergonomics? Fear not. The Seenda keyboard features a large enter key for stress-free typing and a compact design that fits seamlessly into any workspace. In conclusion, the Seenda Wireless Illuminated Keyboard ticks all the boxes for versatility, functionality, and style. With its multi-device connectivity, vibrant backlighting, and comfortable typing experience, it's a must-have for anyone looking to upgrade their keyboard game. That wraps up our review of the Seenda Wireless Illuminated Keyboard. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.